Welcome back, everybody. Walter here at the Workbench. I had hoped to do the wood finishing test. I even found some organic flaxseed oil that I had bought. But when I brought the humidity tester out here, it says 71% humidity and 81 degrees Fahrenheit. It says it reached a high of 88. That doesn't make me happy. So we're not doing finishing. But I was doing some cleaning up in the other building, and I found this. And this is a very sad thing to see. However, I had rescued these saw handles from a man that was taking hundreds of saws apart and burning the handles in his wood stove. He was getting these saws by the boxful for like next to nothing. So I picked the best ones. This one has a little chip missing, but I picked the best ones, thinking someone like myself or someone else might want to get new saw plate and make new blades for it. Or they have the saw, but they don't have a good handle. And these can be identified by manufacturer. Some of them are complete with the Distin logo. I mean, look at the detail that they would put into their work, you know? I think this one is my favorite. This is a Distin, and I think this one comes off the D series. I don't know. So if you know anyone who repairs saws and is looking for these, contact me. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous stuff. Some of them don't have the nuts and bolts. So I'm going to put them up in front of the screen one at a time so that if anyone wants to identify these and wants them, they can contact me. So I have this one. Another. This one's very lightweight. This one's also lightweight. This must have been from a big rip saw. Same with this. And I may just keep this one just because I love the way it looks. The detail on this, look at the detail on this. Really a shame I don't have the blade on this one. This is gorgeous. So share this video with anyone that you know who is into saws. I know they're valuable, but they may be a dime a dozen. So I want them to go to a good home. I'd send them all to one person. If that person could put a blade, a matching proper blade on this one. So that's about it. And this is only my handle collection. I have to get the saws out too. There's not many. I think I have 6 or 8. So that's about it for today. I'm a ball of sweat. Like, subscribe, and share this video. Share it on any group that you're part of, that's a woodworking group, that has anything to do with handsaws. Walter out.